In this example, we've got a lot of data. I need to remove all these blanks, but I don't want to do it manually. I don't want to go and do it like that. So a quick way to do this is firstly, we're going to use one tool to identify the blank cells. So I'm going to go and highlight all these cells, and under Home, on the far right, it says Find and Select. I'm going to go to Special, and there's an option here called Blanks. When I click OK, you'll see it activates each blank cell. So now what I can do, I can go to any one of them, right click, and there's an option here called Delete. When I click Delete, all Excel wants to know is, what must it do? Must it shift the cells up, which is exactly what I want. When I say OK, it does it all to all of them, and you'll see there are no more blanks. Just be careful if you use this technique. Moving cells around does affect formula. So just think carefully whether you want to do it that way.